Hello, Panther Cubs. Welcome to week 2 of our e-learning PE. This week, we're actually gonna go back to our kicking unit. We got kind of interrupted with Thanksgiving and things that happened around that time with our kicking unit. So we're gonna do a week of kicking. I'm gonna tell you some activities that you can do at home to practice your kicking. And then you can follow along with me in the video, all right? But first, I want you guys to do your warm-up first so that we are ready to move. If you are in kindergarten or first grade, I want you to pause this video and go click on your Count to 100 video. It's right in that Canvas course on this same page. So go ahead and do that, kinder and first graders. Second and third graders, you guys are gonna be doing the happy dance warm-up. That's in your page as well. Go ahead and click on that and follow along and exercise in that happy dance warm-up, all right? And fourth and fifth graders, you guys are gonna be doing the bop or the flop fitness challenge. So you're gonna listen to the songs bop or flop and complete the exercises together, okay? Go ahead and pause this video, do those warm-ups so that when you come back, you'll be ready to go. Woo! Now that we are all warmed up, let's get into it, all right? Remember, when we learn any kind of skill in PE, we have different skill cues or steps to follow. So today for kicking, our steps are plant, look, backswing, follow through, all right? I'm gonna break down each of those steps for you right now and then show you exactly what I want you to do, all right? When you plant your foot, you're gonna be planting your non-kicking foot right beside the object that you're kicking. Today, if you don't have a soccer ball, you can kick a stuffed animal, you could kick another kind of ball at your house, really anything that is safe to kick. Maybe something soft would help, or make sure you're in a safe space to kick, all right? That's why I have plenty of personal space here ready to go. So the second step is look. When you look, you're gonna look at the back of the object. And if you're looking at the side or the top, you might miss it. So look at the back of the object, all right? When we kick, we have to have a backswing. So our leg is gonna come back to kick, just like that. And then our follow through, same with a lot of our skills. This is gonna give us our power. So the more you follow through, the harder your kick is gonna be. When you follow through, your leg is gonna come through and your toe should be pointing at your target after you kick. I'm gonna go ahead and do the steps for you right now so you can see a couple of examples of me kicking a soccer ball. One thing I forgot to mention, always remember, no toes. We do not wanna kick with the toe of our shoe. So we wanna kick with our shoelaces or the side, the instep of our foot. So right here or right here, all right? So you're gonna point your toes down to the ground when you kick. All right, let's get it. So I'm gonna plant my foot. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna backswing and then follow through. Let's see that again. Plant, look, backswing, follow through. All right, guys, grab your object, pause the video, and try to kick 3 times. Work on that, and then let's go to the next activity. All right, guys, now that we have practiced our kick, we are gonna do a little bit of soccer bowling. For this activity, you're gonna need an object that you're kicking. Maybe it's a ball, maybe it is a plushie, anything that is safe to kick for you. You're gonna need lots of personal space, all right? You have to think about where the ball is gonna go after you kick it for this activity. So you're gonna make sure that you have plenty of personal space. And then third, you're going to need some cups or something that you can stack up together so that you can bowl. If you don't have anything that you can stack together, maybe you could use, set up different toys that you have, some action figures or plushies or something that if you kick something into it, it would knock over safely, all right? Before you go using cups, make sure that you ask your adult, whoever that is, if you can borrow the cups or use them, and make sure that you don't use any glass cups. Those will break and that would be super dangerous. Behind me, you can see I have some plastic cups that I'm using. All right, I made 3 different size towers depending on how much equipment you have. All right, this orange tower has 6 cups in it. The green tower has 10 cups, and then there are 15 cups in the yellow stack here. So depending on how much equipment you have, you could even make one with 3 cups if you want to just put 2 on the bottom and 1 on top. Or if you're using other equipment, just stack it up however you would like for your bowling. All right, you're gonna put it on the ground and stand with your plant foot right beside the ball and kick it stationary. That means that you're not moving, okay? If you are in kindergarten or first grade, I want you to take 3 steps away from the cups or the objects that you are going to knock over and then put the ball down on the ground. So kindergarten and first grade, 3 steps. If you are in second or third grade, you're gonna take 4 steps away from the cups or the objects that you're knocking over with the ball, okay? If you are in 4th or 5th grade, you guys are gonna take 5 steps away from that object that you were trying to knock over and put the ball on the ground. I'm gonna show you 3 examples here, and then I'll let you guys do it on your own. Here we go. All right, kindergarten and first grade, 3 steps away. Here we go. Put the ball down. Plant, look, backswing, and follow through. If you're in second or third grade, you're gonna take 4 steps away. Here we go. 4 steps. Put the ball down. Plant. Look. Backswing. And follow through. And if you're in 4th or 5th grade, you're going to take 5 steps away from the cups. Here we go. All right, guys, go ahead and pause the video. See how many cups you can knock down or things you can knock down in 1 minute. Set a timer or count to 60 seconds. See how many you can knock down and build back up in 1 minute. All right, I hope you had fun with soccer bowling, you guys. Our next activity is called balloon lava. You can do this activity if you have a balloon at your house. Go ahead and blow it up. If you don't have a balloon, you could use a rolled up pair of socks or a ball or even like a plushie. Anything that you can kick safely that is really soft, okay? All right, it's kind of like if the floor is lava, all right, we can stand on it, but the balloon can't touch the lava, okay? Or the object that you have can't touch the lava. If you are in kindergarten or first grade, you can use your hands as well as your feet. I'll show you that in just a second. If you are in second and third grade, I want you guys to try to alternate your feet, left foot, right foot, okay? And then if you are in 4th and 5th grade, I want you to try to isolate and use 1 foot at a time and then switch and try to use the other foot. Everyone should have a challenge with it. Here we go. All right, kindergarten and first grade, hands and feet. Here we go. All right, good job. If you are in second or third grade, alternating your feet. Here we go. All right, and 4th and 5th grade, 1 foot at a time. Here we go. All right, guys, once your balloon falls, that's it for that round. Try again. See how many times you can kick the balloon in the air or keep it in the air without it falling. Count every single time, right? When it falls to the ground, start over and see what your highest score is gonna be. All right, pause the video and go ahead and try balloon lava. Okay, folks, our next to last activity for the day, if you have a balloon, you're gonna do this activity. If you have something a little bit lighter, you can probably try it with that as well. But you're gonna try to kick the balloon up. You're gonna drop it and kick it. And you're gonna try to catch it, okay? So you're gonna use your foot or use your hands to drop the balloon. When it gets down low, you're gonna kick it up, and then you're gonna see if you can catch the balloon. All right? See how many you can get in about 1 minute. Go ahead and give that a try. Here we go. All right, guys, awesome job. See if you can do that with your balloon as well. If you don't have a balloon, just be extra careful when you're kicking something, especially up towards your face, okay? Make sure something really soft, make sure something really light. Okay, guys, for our last activity of the day, we're gonna be using a ball or a plushie or something that you can kick on the ground. All right, and then you're also gonna need a basket or something turned over to make a goal, okay? This activity is called goal kick. So you're gonna put the ball on the ground. You're gonna use all of those kicking cues that we talked about: plant, look, backswing, and follow through. And you're gonna kick the ball and try to kick it into the goal, okay? If you are in kindergarten or first grade, you're only gonna take 2 steps away from the goal. If you are in second or third grade, you're gonna take 3 steps away from the goal. And if you are in 4th or 5th grade, you guessed it, you're gonna take 4 steps away from the goal. All right, guys, see how many that you can get in 1 minute. Here we go. All right, folks, I hope you had so much fun with today's kicking challenges. Make sure you click the next button to take your quiz for this week, and I will see you all next week.